Hello and welcome to today's class. My name is Dr. Bidi Mutua from Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, and I'll be teaching you on how to formulate or derive random numbers. First, a background. One of the important aspects of scientific inquiry is the concept of generalizability, whereby the results of the sample can be able to explain the population. And in most cases, scientists rely on sampling so that the results can be generalized to tell the story of the population. A good example is COVID-19 testing, whereby because of various reasons, you cannot test the entire population so as to know the prevalence rates of a population in a given country. Now, if we talk about generalization, rather generalizability, we are implying the fact that there are conditions to be met for a scientific experiment to be generalized to the population. One is called sample representativeness. The sample should be representative of the population. The second one is the fact that the sample should be picked at random, whereby each and every element is given an equal chance of being selected. For you to ensure randomness, you have to derive random numbers. There are various ways of deriving random numbers. You can get them at the back of statistics and research books. You can use the internet random number generator to generate random numbers. You can also use electronic calculators. Lastly, you can be able to use statistical software to generate random numbers. Today, we shall use MS Excel to be able to generate random numbers. So let me open the MS Excel. All right. And then I share the screen for MS Excel. Not this one. So what we do, can share again, share screen, and look for MS Excel. Where is MS Excel? This one. Yeah, there we are. There we are. Okay. We are now sharing our MS Excel. So let me organize the screen. So that we are not blocked. So first, MS Excel is a software that can still be able to analyze data. But you find that unless you have reactivated the analysis toolpack, then you cannot be able to do that. You can't be able to use the data menu, then you click on data analysis. It will not be there in your computer unless you follow these steps. First, file, then you go to options. This is a process of enabling MS Excel to be able to analyze data by activating the data analysis tool pack. Then you click on add-ins, double click on add-ins. All right, there you are. Look for analysis tool pack. And then you click on go. You are taken to another dialog box. If you're not activated, the checkbox will be unchecked. So check that checkbox of analysis tool pack. You click OK. If you go back to data, then data analysis, you find that you can be able to do a lot of data analysis using MS Excel. But for today, we want to generate random numbers. So that is our focus. You double click on random numbers. Now, number of variables, number of random numbers, these two indicate the number of rows and columns in which the random numbers will be displayed. So maybe you can put 20 in each case, 20 rows, 20 columns. Distribution, we have to use uniform distribution. We want to generate random numbers between 0 and probably 1,000. All right. Anything else left? So the other setting, you can click OK and see what you have on the screen. Now, if you are careful, if you focus on the screen, you find that there are decimal points. The decimal points are used in other applications, but for now, we may not need to use them. So we use MS Excel home menu. Then we look for the icon for reducing decimal points. So now you have whole numbers, as you can see on the screen. And these are random numbers we have generated to select a sample from 1,000 as far as the population is concerned. Remember, random numbers are used together with the sampling frame, and a sampling frame is a list of the entire population, which is numbered. All right? You pick a list, and then you construct the sampling frame. Because the sampling frame should not be in any order. Maybe the names are ascending, descending, alphabetic wise, and all that. So, in short, you'll be guided by the random numbers, whereby you close your eyes, you pick the first number. In our case, it's 511. You check in the sampling frame. The element which is numbered 511 becomes the first element of the sample. Assuming you see simple random sampling, you continue reading across or downwards. For now, you have to read across, all right, until you reach the end. You move to the next line. So you move to several lines until you reach your sample size. Assuming your sample size is probably maybe 384 out of 1,000, you continue reading across the random number table so that you have enough sample size. So with that, we come to the end of our demonstration of how we generate random numbers using MS Excel. In our coming lesson, we shall be able to look at how you generate random numbers using SPSS, which is another quantitative software that is used in quantitative data analysis. For now, I am your research methodology coach, Bithi Butua. Enjoy your time. Remember to subscribe so that you can be able to get alerts once new videos are released.